Hello children, nice to meet you all. Here, today we are going to see the next lesson, the second lesson in your textbook. The first slide is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Okay, I think you all know, you have some idea about Nelson Mandela. Okay, he is from South Africa. He was the president of South Africa, the first president of South Africa. Okay, so actually in his school he was known as Nelson. He was famously called as Nelson. His main name, the whole name of him is Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. It is little difficult to pronounce, but if you practice you will get it. Okay, Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela is his full name. Now our lesson is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. What is this Long Walk to Freedom? Long Walk to Freedom is a book. It is an autobiography written by Nelson Mandela. That means it is an autobiography means Nelson Mandela, he wrote the book himself. The person who writes for himself is called the autobiography. So he named the book as Long Walk to Freedom. That means he worked hard. Long walk means he worked hard to attain the freedom, to get the freedom. What type of freedom? It is a racial discrimination. Okay, so I'll tell you in detail. First, Long Walk to Freedom is an autobiography. Okay, written by Nelson Mandela. In his autobiography, from his book, he has taken one small extract and explained us. He has explained about the inauguration function. Okay, so in his book Long Walk to Freedom, he took one small extract and explained. He explained about what? The inauguration function. Why the inauguration function? That means when he was elected as the first president, black president of South Africa, how he felt, what did he do, what were his feelings, how he came up, how did he achieve the freedom. He wrote everything. He explained in this lesson. Okay, so what for he attained the freedom? Apartheid actually, Apartheid, apartheid. I think you heard this word in your social studies. Okay, apartheid is nothing but it is a racial discrimination, segregation, whites and blacks. The whites show the difference. Okay, the showing difference between whites and blacks is called the apartheid. For that, to eradicate, to abolish the apartheid, he fought. Who fought? Nelson Mandela. He is from South Africa, isn't it? Many people will be black there. Isn't it, you know? Among the South Africans, there are some white peoples also. Those white people had their superiority feeling. They controlled these black people. They didn't allow these black people to come into anything. That means the white people had total authority over the blacks. They showed the racial discrimination. We are whites, you are blacks, you are nothing for. You don't have right to do business. You blacks don't have right to do the business. You blacks don't have right to do whatever you like. We are here to control you. Whatever we said, you are supposed to do. Like this, the white people harassed, they oppressed the blacks, they tortured the blacks. But poor black people, they suffered. They bore everything. Whatever the white people, however they tortured, they bore all everything. And this was seen by Mandela, and Mandela said, no, why should we be under their control? We have proper rights. We black people also have rights. So I will fight for that. He got a good idea and he started fighting for the blacks. Why black people are shown inferiority? Why they are inferior? No, everyone has a right. He took that part. He wanted to abolish apartheid, and he fought for this apartheid. Apartheid means racial segregation. racial discrimination, whites and blacks. Here he said that no whites, no blacks, all are equal. Why blacks are shown inferior? So he fought for that. So that is called long walk to freedom. He fought 30 years. He spent in the prison. He spent most of the life in the prison. Okay, so still in the prison, being in the prison also he fought. So so what is this? What is he telling is, why should we give all authority to the whites? Why not blacks also take the authority? Why blacks could not do anything? So he took a support for the blacks. He stood as a support for the black people and he started fighting. And later in the last he achieved the freedom. That is called Long Walk to Freedom. He named the book as Long Walk to Freedom, and from he wrote everything in the book. And one small extract he took, how he felt on the inauguration when he was made the first president of South Africa. How were his feelings? What did he say in his speech? Everything is given in this lesson. Okay, so let us read. So Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography written by Nelson Mandela. Okay, so let us go to the introduction part. I think you got some idea. So let us go to the next part. So this is in your textbook, children, the front page. Before you read, so apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. Race means blacks, white, color. Okay, can you say which of the three countries named below had such a political system until very recently? Among these, North America, South Africa, Australia, among these three countries, which countries had that problem? Whites and blacks, whites and blacks. That is South Africa. Next, have you heard Nelson Mandela? Mandela and his African National Congress. This African National Congress is a party. It is a political party. So he joined this party and started fighting. Okay. So here what Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. To which they fight? They fought for apartheid. Apartheid means racial discrimination. Whites and blacks. Okay. Now Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in the year 1994 and Mandela became the first black president of a new nation. Okay, children, you got the idea. Mandela fought for the freedom. What type of freedom? Racial discrimination. He doesn't want racial discrimination. He wants all to be equal. Blacks must be given superiority complex. Okay, blacks must be treated equal with the whites. He wants that one. Okay, now in this extract from his autobiography Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks about a historic occasion. What was that historic occasion? The inauguration ceremony. Okay, can you guess what the occasion might be? Check your guess with this news item from the BBC of 10th May 1994. Okay, children, you got the idea. Now here Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. This is also in your textbook. Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries. 3 centuries means 30 years. Till 30 years the whites were ruling. Who were ruling the country? Whites were ruling the country. He fought for 30 years. He went in the prison. He went to the prison. He was kept in the prison, and next the rule came under his hand. And here Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. Who were ruling for 3 centuries? 3 centuries means 30 years. 1 century means, you know, okay. So 3 century. Mr. Mandela's African National Congress. Okay, now party 1. See, Mr. Mandela's Africa. What is Mandela's political party? Okay, what is his party? African National Congress. In his party won 250 seats. His party won 252 seats out of 400 in the first democratic elections of South Africa history. Okay, children. Next, the inauguration ceremony took place in the buildings amphitheater in Pretoria. Pretoria is the capital of South Africa. In the which buildings? In the Union Buildings of Amphitheater in Pretoria. What is amphitheater? Amphitheater means it is an open place. One stage will be there, and remaining all the public sit in the open space. Okay, that is called the amphitheater. I'll show you in the picture. Attended by the politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries around the world. See, many people on this inauguration function, when he was elected as the president, there was a African National Congress party ANC was there. The elections were held. In that elections, he won Nelson Mandela won the seat. Out of 400, he won the 252 seats. Okay, and he became the president of South Africa. And the day which they pledge, you know now, oath taking, on that day, that inauguration ceremony is explained in this lesson. How that ceremony was happened, what did he say in the speech, how did he address the people, how did he address the dignitaries, what did he tell about the old people who gave lives for the freedom. While fighting, many of them gave lives, they died. So he told about those people also. Everything he explained in this lesson, children. Now see here. The inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Buildings Amphitheater in Pretoria today, attended by the politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries around the world. Many people came for this inauguration function, and how many? More than 140 countries, many dignitaries, means higher officials, politicians, all came and joined there. Why did they came? They want to make friendship with Mandela. They liked the principles of Mandela. They liked the efforts of Mandela. So they want to make friendship. All the countries want to make friendship with Mandela, that's South Africa, and they came over there for the ceremony. Then in his speech he gave, never, never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another, said Nelson Mandela in his address. When he is telling his speech on the stage, on the podium, he told what he said, never, never again will this beautiful land will experience the oppression of one by another. Means till now they were under the control of whites. Now no one can come and control here. We are here. Now there is no right for anyone to come over here. Okay. Next, will this beautiful land means South Africa, experience the oppression? Oppression means torture. Till now the white people tortured a lot, isn't it? Now onwards, nobody will feel the torture. Nobody will bear the torture. Okay, of one by another, said Nelson Mandela in his address. Jubilant scenes. See, on this inauguration, when he came, when he was giving the speech, the ceremony, there were beautiful scenes around the town, villages, all were very happy. They are enjoying, singing songs, dancing. You can see in some videos also Mandela also dancing with all the public people, and all of them enjoyed after such a long. See here what he said, Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries. 3 centuries of white rule. Means how many years did they rule? 3 centuries they have ruled. Century means 100 years, isn't it? So after 300 years they got the control. Okay, they got the freedom. So now see here, children. Jubilant scenes on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony with blacks, whites and coloreds. They are celebrating together. All black people, white people all together mingled, and they started celebrating. Before they had different segregation, they had whites and blacks, they were totally different, but now they all mingled, they became friends, and they started enjoying. More than 1 lakh South African men, women and children of all races sang and danced with joy. All races means some are white, some are black, some are brown, average color, all the different colors. See, when all these different colors came to the meeting, to the inauguration ceremony, it was like a rainbow. He addressed it as a rainbow. Why? Because different colors, white, black, these are too common. In that middle some shades will be there, isn't it? Brown and all some other shades. All he told that it is like a rainbow coloring. He addressed like that. So Nelson Mandela was also called as the father of the nation. the South Africans call Nelson Mandela as father of the nation. Nelson Mandela is from royal family, Tambo royal family. He was very rich family. He was from a very rich family, and later he fought for the blacks. He left his family and everything, and he stood for the support of the blacks. Okay, he was a very nice, good cultured person. Okay, and we have our father of nation. Who is our father of nation for India? Mahatma Gandhi. How Mahatma Gandhi, he was going on feeling, how did he struggle for the freedom? He let the Britishers quit India movement. Okay, he won the freedom. We got the freedom on 15th August 1947. How Mahatma Gandhi struggled for India, like that Nelson Mandela also struggled for South Africans. And how we Indians call Mahatma Gandhi as father of nation, even Mandela is also called as father of nation in South Africa. I think you got some idea of introduction part. Okay, children, now let us go for the next video in the next part. Next part of the lesson I'll explain you in the next video. Okay, now till now I gave the introduction for you. Now the next video starts with the function, the inauguration function. Mandela comes all with band, baja, all celebrating with nice balloons, sounds, music. He comes to the inauguration function. How the function started, let us see in the next video. And what did he tell in the function? What did he speak in his speech? Let us see in the next video. Okay, children, until then keep watching the videos. Bye.